with major appliance makers including Samsung and LG, and retailers like SM Appliance, Ansons, Abenson, Kay Servico, among others. So that appliances have an orange tag stating the peso per hour of use. With this, customers like you and me can make informed decisions. All this, of course, won't happen without the cooperation and help of our policymakers and regulators. Thank you to the DOE, Secretary Petilla, with whom we are aligned on their energy efficiency program and yellow rating stickers. Thank you too to the ERC and Chair Ducot, who has been instrumental in our customer-centric efforts. On a side note, last week we brought our ERC commissioners, a couple of them, to Manila to show them our K-Load customers. And it brought a lot of joy to me also to see the social impact of prepaid. Commissioners Non and Tarok were there. They were able to interview live customers of prepaid and really heard testaments that it really improved their lives in terms of how they live and how they spend their little budget for the month. So we were very happy and touched with a very positive social impact of prepaid electricity. And so we'll leverage on technology like prepaid, and research like this, Power Lab, which will be open to the public. As one of the ERC commissioners said during the visit, we will bring this even closer to the barangay levels, and by having similar appliance demonstrations in forums and communities, we want to reach out to our customers. Sa Meralco, maliwanag ang bukas. Salamat po.
Thank you very much.